Are you tired of huge models crashing your local system with their slow generation speeds? Then Ling 3.0 Flash is here for us, bringing insane token generation speeds of up to 88 tokens per second. In this video, I'm going to test its sub-second latency and also the 256,000 context window by giving it a financial document that it has to summarize and generate the outputs. If you are new to the channel, I cover latest AI tools and models in my Build with AI series and build practical AI projects with them. And today's main focus is the Ling 3.0 Flash model, which is a flagship release from the InclusionAI team, specially built for ultra-fast agentic reasoning. On paper, it is a massive model with 124 billion parameters, but it uses a mixture of experts routing to only activate 5 billion of those parameters. So it uses a 1/64 activation energy, so you get massive brain power with minimal lag. And if we talk about the memory management, it uses a hybrid linear attention system, which keeps the memory usage very stable and predictable. What this means is that it alternates between two different attention methods. One is called key data attention or KDA, and second is the multi-head latent attention. And these two work in a 5:1 ratio, so the delta attention gets most of the share, enabling linear memory scaling when we are giving ultra-long context in our tasks. And because of this hybrid approach, the context window of this model is really huge. It natively supports 256,000 tokens in its context window, and it is even extensible to 1 million tokens for heavy usage. But what is this model actually good for? It is heavily optimized for agentic tool orchestration, so it can control softwares and also the external tools really well. So if you are building complex AI workflows, this model can handle autonomous function calling loops very smoothly. And data extraction is also a major strength here, as it is trained to give perfect structured JSON outputs, so you don't get any broken data formatting in your background applications. Now let us look at the actual performance numbers. On basic Python code generation on the HumanEval benchmark, it scores an impressive 88.5%, easily beating the similar size DeepSeek V4 Flash model. And even Meta's Llama 3.3 is lagging behind with 82.4% score. And for autonomous software bug fixing in the SWE benchmark, it is again performing the best, making it the state-of-the-art Flash model for all the coding-related tasks. And speed is also a critical factor for any developer, and this model can push through 88 tokens per second, which is incredibly fast for complex agentic reasoning. So how can you actually start using this model today? There are 4 different ways that you can use it right now. In the first method, you don't even have to download the model, as you can go for the Open Router API, which is currently serving the model completely free of cost. But if you want full control, you can download the model locally using the Hugging Face Transformers library, so you can fine-tune this model according to your custom task or also do the local executions. And you can also serve this model using SGLang, VLLM or local Ollama models, where you can go for the different quantizations like 16-bit, 8-bit or even the GGUF file quantizations. Now for testing this model, I'm going to be going for the first route, which is the Open Router API. So for this method, you first need to go to openrouter.ai/workspaces, log in with your Google or GitHub account, then go for the API keys menu and create a new API key for yourself. Just keep this API key secure, as anyone who has access to your API key can use your credits or can hit your daily usage quota. Then we just need to copy the Ling 3.0 model ID by just clicking on this copy button. Now I'm going to be using Google Antigravity for my project environment. I've kept this FinGPT financial paper that will go as an input to the project, and then first I'm going to extract all the text from this PDF using the PDF reader library in Python. And once I have all the text, I'm going to call the Open Router API. First you need to enter your API key in this .env file. So just replace this variable with your actual API key. And once you have the API key set up, we'll hit the Open Router endpoint in the standard OpenAI code. And I'm going to give it a prompt that you should provide a structured financial synthesis with the executive summary and financial market opportunity. And it has to explain the multi-layer architecture of this financial GPT, explain how it does the sentiment analysis and the stock market prediction, with all the key benchmarks also listed, and finally the enterprise risk management and the compliance directives that is given by the model. And here I'm going to provide that same model ID that we have copied from Open Router, and once it gives the report content, I'm going to save it as a formatted text in this output.md file, and also as a visual report in the outputs.html file. And once the Python file is called, we are just going to call this main function, which will run the whole pipeline end to end. Now to launch this pipeline, first copy all these code files that I'll be putting in GitHub link in description and pin comments. Then you can go to the terminal, and first you need to install all the dependencies that is required for this project. So just type pip install r requirements.txt and press enter. So in this requirements.txt file, I've listed all the Python dependencies required for this project, and with the simple command, all of those will be installed. And now we can run the whole pipeline by just calling python main.py file and press enter. And now both the markdown files and the HTML files are given. So it has given the executive summary that the key financial breakthrough with this FinGPT is data-centric financial AI, and it supports a low-cost fine-tuning using the LoRa method, and it uses reinforcement learning from the stock prices data. And it has listed down the different architectural components of FinGPT as well. Then the key financial benchmark numbers compared to the ChatGPT baseline, showing the performance delta of around 7 to 9%. And last section is the enterprise risk management and the compliance directives, listing down all the risk points that you have to take care while using this tool. Then I can also open up the visual report by revealing it in File Explorer and opening it in my local browser. So here the full report is listed as a visual mode with different tiles for the different metrics, with the heading that this is the financial research synthesizer with 256,000 tokens from Ling 3.0 Flash. So it is able to do the task that I had given really well, but you also have to take care of some limitations of this model. Like if you are going for the local method and the 8-bit quantization, it will require extremely fast data transfer from your GPU. So your local setup requires high hardware interconnect bandwidth. Also, if you are extending your context window from 250,000 to 1 million tokens, you will need the flash attention 3 mechanism, otherwise you will see VRAM spikes during the multi-turn executions. And finally, if you are going for the free API tier, you have to take care that there is a usage limit on OpenRouter, as it enforces per minute and per day remit rates of up to 20 to 50 requests per minute, depending on the peak usage at that time. So if you are building any production agents using this mode, you have to go for the paid endpoints. So that was it for the breakdown of Ling 3.0 Flash, which is proving to be a really good competitor in the Flash model space, giving us really fast generation speeds, ultra deep context window, and also just activating 5 billion tokens in its processing. As usual, the full README file with step-by-step instructions on how to set up the project will be available in GitHub link in description and pin comments, so you can directly copy it and get started with the model right now. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to cover more such AI models and tools, and follow the channel for more AI builds, updates, and workflows.